Hey, yo, Klein.
Yeah, what up?
Yo, let me tell you a joke, right? So, what
Okay.
do you know about reverse exorcism?
Reverse exorcism.
Yes, yes.
Okay. No, I don't. What is it?
So
It's like okay.
no. It's basically when the devil tells the priest to exit the child.
Devil. What the? What the fuck? What? Oh my god. So this is why you're saying we need abortion?
Ah, shit. You know what? Just roll the intro music.
No, wait.
Yeah, I said it. Fuck those guys, man. Fuck those guys.
Bro, no.
Man, he just gonna grow up a bastard. What can you do?
This program is intended.
See, all I can say is Modi is a piece of shit.
That is all right, but BJP, Shiv Sena, everybody will come to my house.
So basically, everyone listening right now, I'm not gonna bullshit you. We decided to make a podcast literally 3 days ago, and we're recording this right now. So if this all goes to shit, blame Zan.
Zenathan, speak up.
Welcome.
This is Zen.
Sorry?
That's all we needed.
Okay. First of all, the name Men's Locker Room, right? We were inspired by this controversy, not a big controversy, like a pretty small controversy happened a couple of months ago. A couple of boys were charged with rape allegations. So small controversy, and we were inspired by the name.
Right?
Yeah, and we was inspired by the name, and we named ourselves Men's Locker Room. It's not a gay porn site like Zoham said before, but
It is what it is.
exactly. Hey, yo, South.
It is business.
Okay, South.
Yeah.
So, what was the topic we decided to talk about? The first topic?
So today, we decided to talk about Indian politics.
Yeah.
No.
And
We are all about the trend.
exactly. And who better to talk about Indian politics than a bunch of NRI kids and one Bengali? International perspective.
Let's go.
Wow.
Hey,
Let's
yo.
go.
Yes.
Let's
Okay.
go.
So,
We got the wisdom.
who's going to start off with this Arnab Goswami bullshit that's been going on?
Me.
Bengali. Let's go, bro. Let's
Bengali,
fucking go.
straight out of Bangladesh.
Jai Bangladesh.
Straight out of Feni.
Jai Machi Market.
Alright, Zoham.
Bro, this reporter, man, Arnab Ganduwali, bro, he reminds me of the other reporters from freaking CNN, Fox News, bro. But he's like on his own level of journalism. Like he has his own level. The way he says shit that is.
I mean, if you're against him, you're dead. That's it.
Yeah, I'm against him. Yeah.
No, if
They're
you're
not
against,
dead.
listen. No, if you're
Peace out,
against him,
guys.
listen, if you're against him in India, you won't get drugs, man. Trust me, you won't get drugs.
Yeah, that's
Before
what-
starting
Fucking
the, before starting the journalism, he just snorts something and then he comes, okay, Republic TV, yeah.
Bro, Hashish, bro.
Okay, Habibi, let's go with Riya Chakrabarti.
Bro, Arnab is like to Riya Chakrabarti, Habibti, please, ana akhiz insi ana
And then once, right after Rhea got arrested, Kangana.
Yeah,
bro,
man.
okay, here's my viewpoint on Kangana. She's a bitch herself as well. Like, bro, she has
But
no
she's cute.
proof.
Alright.
Off, dude.
Bro, she's using this opportunity to fight her own fight.
Yeah,
Bro,
that's
listen
true.
up.
That's true.
Bro, she fucking fucks everybody in BJP. Come on.
Yeah.
Literally or figuratively.
Have to join BJP now.
Bro, she's literally listen up. She's literally a celebrity who has no proof that she has like her life is in danger. And that bitch is getting Y level security, the third best level of security in India. What the fuck?
Bro, she got Y-level security because, they were going to demolish her house. And, people's, sympathy was there.
Bro, but you got to think about it. Like, people are calling the government out on their bullshit right now. But like all the shit that has been happening throughout the years for a couple of years, ever since Modi was in like the fucking leader, nobody called it out. Nobody was like, you know what, this is bullshit. The democracy is dead. Give this guy the Y-level security. Give that guy the Y-level security. People are dying everywhere. But like this bitch, she just comes out and says on Twitter that I think my life is in danger, and everybody's like, yeah, you know what, give her Y-level security, and the democracy is dead. What the fuck is this hypocrisy, man?
If I say that if I say someone that I am in some kind of a threat, अरे साला एक पान और एक security guard भी नहीं आएगा इधर.
You're building watch and you're like, गार्ड मराओ साहब.
सारी साहब मेरी जान को ही वाई सिक्योरिटी चाहिए साहब.
He'll be like, "Sabji, aapko bhi mil gaya hai."
Bro, but you gotta understand the statement she made, man. You know what she said, right? Mumbai is the new Pakistan.
I mean, okay, listen up. That statement was kind of outrageous and like out there, but she has a habit of exaggerating. But like, I can hate on her, but I can also agree with the fact, like the way she is handling this, like the stuff she's talking about, it needs to change. Like there's a lot of bullshit going around, like in Mumbai. The Shiv Sena mother chod. Yeah, I said it. Fuck those guys, man. Fuck them.
Yeah, man, they're knocking at your home. I can hear it there.
Guys, they live in Bihar.
Bro, Bihar.
You're just like driving on the road and side come take out drive by like Tupac, man. That's it.
Z.
I'm going to buy pan. I'm buying pan. They're like, the pan seller turns out to be BJP party member. He's like, gun on.
Put poison in the pan. That's it.
Yeah. Z. What I would like to suggest you is that go on Twitter and write, I need Z security. Just write that.
Z security.
They will send Zainuddin, man.
Then enough.
Zen is like our bodyguard, man.
Oh, man.
Zen can finally leave the engineering life.
Okay, you know what? Zoham. Like as an outsider who's not from India, I want to ask you, like, what the fuck do you think is like what do you think about all this? Just asking, like a broad, like an outside perspective.
See, all I can say is Modi is a piece of shit.
Okay, can disagree with that? Yeah.
Okay,
I said can't disagree with that. Like I agree with you.
Okay. Bro, you know how charitable Modi is? Guys, you know how charitable Modi is?
He pisses and drinks his own piss to save water.
No.
That is Kim Jong, man.
Oh, sorry. That is that Pandit. What is his name? Patanjali owner. Mother chod. What is
Ramdev Baba.
Ramdev.
Yo, Ramdev Baba.
Bro. That Ramdev guy and Arnab, man, they were having fucking sex on national television. He was picking him up and all.
They were humping each other.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
even Zen saw that, right? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We all saw that. They made a meme out of that. They made a whole like sketch out of it, man.
Guys, okay, everyone listening right now, go onto YouTube, type Arnab and Baba Ramdev, and just listen to the audio without watching the video.
Bro, I know. That's what they did. I saw that.
That shit is
That's some sexual shit.
Yeah, that is the definition of men's locker room.
Just a heads up, guys. We don't do that here, so chill.
Yeah, man.
Don't lie, man. You know, before the podcast, we were getting on to some naughty shit.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, I ain't with these guys anymore.
South is uncomfortable. South is like, मैं किधर आ गया?
कौन सी भाषा बोल रहा है?
अरे हगने नहीं दिया मैं हमको.
Ramdev Baba hug.
Okay, so Indian politics, the fucking
me. Yeah, I have to. Yeah. So, bro, you know how charitable Modi is? He took money out of his own pocket and donated to PM Cares.
Yeah, he took his money from the left pocket and put it in the right pocket. That's what he did.
Oh my god. The memes. Oh my god.
Gangster, man.
Yo, took it from his left pocket, put it in his right. What the?
Allah's charity.
and they wonder why our economy is bad.
Yeah, bro.
Man.
Minus 23 GDP.
This is why we need to start up Lakshmi's Chet Fund for real.
Yeah. In collaboration with Ambani.
Yes. Babu bhai.
Babu bhai also.
Babu, wow.
And Patanjali.
So what do you
Patanjali,
think?
sponsored by Patanjali.
So what do you think?
Funded by Ambani's.
I just can't, say about Modi, because like I'm scared because I'm leaving already. And I can't say about Shiv Sena as well. You know why? Because I'm leaving in Maharashtra, man. This client went to Qatar, man. Now he's safe.
I escaped.
Zen as well,
Zen is
man.
also safe.
Now he's holding
Bro,
back.
BJP
If
is
I say something,
devoting us
Khalas,
in
they
Qatar
will
also,
knock at my home. What's up,
Zishan.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
You know, as you know, the Bihar elections are coming up, so the nation wants to know who are you going to vote for.
I'm going to vote for whoever fixes my toilet plumbing, man. It's been leaking for 3 days.
That's facts.
Respect, bro.
Respect. Hey.
I would
Honestly speaking, bro,
I just want to vote for Biden.
I
Bro,
don't
that's
even
how
have a voter
elections
ID
be.
card.
Here you will vote for Biden.
I don't even have a voter ID card.
I will
What is
vote
Z?
for Byju's. I will vote for Byju's.
By the way, guys, this
Hey,
episode is sponsored by Byju's Learning App.
Arnab. Arnab can give you free drugs.
We are sponsored by Byju's Learning App. Use the discount code FLAUD.
No, this is sponsored by BMC, man.
This is sponsored by you eating your microphone, bro.
Yeah, bro. South is breathing on the microphone now.
Dude, I'm not breathing. You're not getting me, man. मुझे drugs दो.
I'm देगा. You vote for Arnab first.
Okay. So, politics, GDP. We cannot talk about politics without talking
Yeah, bro.
about
Minus
GDP.
23.40.
What was the full form again? What was the full form?
gross domestic product.
Domestic product.
I thought
What did you think?
product.
What did you think?
The good kind of product, not the
I thought
drugs kind
it
of
meant-
product.
I thought it was like, ganja domestic Patanjali, something like that. I don't know.
I
Yes,
thought it
yes.
was. I thought it was.
Sponsored by Riya Chakraborty.
Oh shit.
I thought
Bankrupt.
I thought it stood for God's divine punishment because it was an act of God.
That makes sense. Hey, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's
We get a round of applause.
it might be true. You know, the whole government is blaming all this bullshit on act of God.
Maybe Modi ji took it that way, man. Maybe Modi
Okay,
ji
guys.
took it that way. Yeah.
For the
That's why he
listeners,
took money from his left pocket to right pocket.
And he's blaming that God.
He's blaming that on Muslims also.
God's plan.
okay, listen. We also want to be known. We also want to be known as an educative podcast. We'll try our best. So let me
Sure.
explain what GDP means. So basically, all the amount of goods and services produced inside a country by the country adds up to the GDP of the country. So for like all the agriculture, it is divided into a lot of things: agriculture, tech, raw materials, stuff like that. Blah blah. It's divided into a lot of things. And there's like a way of counting GDP is also that like there are different kind of like, so basically if I own a bakery and I buy a couple of eggs, even if that egg is like produced in India, it won't count towards the GDP because another establishment, a business is buying those eggs. But if I use those eggs to bake a cake and then sell the cake, that money will be counted towards the GDP. So like that. Now there's another example. Like let's just say I buy a tractor, right? I'm a farmer and I buy a tractor. So that tractor will the money I gave for the tractor will be counted towards the GDP because I'm not selling the tractor like in the future, right? I'm using the tractor to like harvest the food material, whatever, and selling the food, not the tractor itself. So that's basically like an in-depth bullshit way of like explaining the textbook way of explaining it. So basically, GDP, all the goods and services produced within a country by the country. Now,
But I need bread. I need bread from you.
go to Lulu hypermarket, bro.
You're saying that to South?
Oh shit, bro. I thought this was Zoham speaking.
South, can you go out? How is the lockdown situation? Still tight?
Full tight, man. Whenever I go outside, Shiv Sena beats the shit out of me, man. They say, why are you surrounding Kalpana?
Yeah, Zen, you were saying Zen, you were saying something.
Yeah, I was saying that the products made by that baker, right? Okay, it goes to the GDP, right? The whatever he gets, like the value of it. But the equipment that he's using to make it, coming from outside, like made in Japan mostly or made in China, right?
Yeah, so that's going to count towards the Japanese GDP.
Yeah, the export you say, that's counted for the country that's exporting.
So bro, let's just say I'm making a phone. An Indian company is making an Indian phone in
but
America.
The components are from China. But the components are from China, right?
Bro, silence.
Bro, go to Udemy and search up economics course, man. No, not me. This is
bro. We are sponsored by Byju's, man. Why are you bringing up this?
Bro, I am Bihari, man. I only know how to do mathematics, that too very badly.
But they will cut our paisa, no? That is the issue.
Yeah, paisa basically means money, by the way, for all the international listeners. I'm thinking out loud, okay?
Yeah, man. Our Western audience should learn.
Yes. $1 billion company, Men's Locker Room. Subscribe, share.
Exactly, man.
Subscribe, no refund.
Yeah. So 4.66 million cases in India, 3.62 recovered, but the current death toll is at 77,472. And I remember that off the top of my head.
Gang shit. What?
Yeah.
Yes, we're like second in the list of like the highest cases.
Bro, are full of silver medal and all. We have to go first. India first.
We will go for platinum.
India doesn't get gold medals. This time we will get
platinum.
Okay, so guys, so we were talking about like GDP. So what do you guys think is like the main reason the GDP fell off? I mean, because
COVID, bro.
Modi.
Okay, so COVID, but like if
you stop selling liquor.
Okay, but if you look at the quarterly like list and stuff, right? You can see that it was falling down. Like even last year was falling down. Like
the bridge is falling down.
South is high on Arnab's drugs, man.
South not sharing, huh? Achha.
No, marijuana, man.
Guana.
Guana. It's marijuana.
Oh, marijuana.
Okay, so Klein, I have the numbers with me. Okay.
Yeah,
so,
continue.
In the third quarter of 2019 to 2020, the GDP was at 4.7. Then in the fourth quarter, it went down to 3.2. Then in the first quarter of 2020 to 2021, the ones that came out, like the list that came out, it went down from 3.2 to minus 23.9%.
Oh my God.
You're telling me only because of COVID, right?
Dude, it's majorly because, dude, you're talking about the first quarter of 2021, right? And 2020, right?
Yeah, 2020 to 2021. That's how
the first quarter of 2020 to 2021 is like what? March, April, May. And that's when the lockdown started. So like, and Modi immediately started the lockdown. Like just after he just gave 4 hours notice.
Okay, but think about this.
People lost their jobs. Nobody went out to buy stuff. If you buy, then only, right, the GDP will like be leveled. But nobody bought stuff. Nobody sold stuff. It was all going down.
Think about this.
Zain, peace out.
Zen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have some technical difficulties with Zainuddin Muqaddam.
Friendly difficulties also.
He's getting room service, special massage. By the way, Zen is in Qatar. He's in hotel quarantine for those of you don't know.
7-star hotel, huh?
Yeah, he's drinking. Yeah, he's drinking MES
some
juice.
MES Capricorn juice box. What do you get from the canteen shit, man?
Bro, Capri Sun, bro.
Okay, no. So what I'm trying to say is that
in
the third quarter of 2019-2020.
It's gone to Zain, yeah. Tell.
You know what? Basically, India is fucked, and we can't only blame COVID for it. A lot of factors were in place. Fuck Modi.
Yeah. Last but not least.
Yeah. Listen, guys. we're gonna make fun of the whole situation, but if you actually want to like do some proper research, go and watch YouTube because like we're gonna half-ass everything on this podcast.
Yeah, we
Alright.
are.
Dude,
We are just funny. We're not smart.
people are not discussing about GDP. They're discussing about Riya Chakrabarti, man. And like
Yeah,
after
man.
this
Bro.
Sushant Singh Rajput case, they are just on and on Riya Chakrabarti
since-
only. And like,
man.
you
Don't
know
even-
what? What is the main reason? Like Riya Chakrabarti, like they actually, caught her with like something 53 grams, I guess. But somewhere in Karnataka,
What?
okay?
Grams of what?
Yeah. I
Now the
marijuana.
what, man?
Very
Yeah.
That's
Even
that's
I-
how you got. Huh?
I thought
Even
you were
I
talking
also-
about. I thought you were talking about a tits or something. What?
Zita,
Bye,
come on.
bye.
Oh, sorry, man.
First podcast.
Age restricted.
Yo, guys, you remember that Will Smith Jada Pinkett? That
Jada.
shit bullshit that happened?
Jada, tell everyone you're from India, man. What the fuck? Where is your accent?
It's a name, man. I didn't know that it was
Jada.
pronounced either Jada or Jada or whatever it is.
Jada. Abe, Randy.
Jada.
No, it's none of that. It's her name is a cheating hoe. She fucked
Yeah,
up my boy's
true.
Will Smith's heart, man. Fuck that bitch.
Yeah, man. Fuck
Alright,
that
alright.
bitch, bro.
All that shit happened in just a month, but all this Reha Chakra, it's been happening since SSR died. Even
Okay,
all
listen, now
that
we have
bullshit they didn't even used to do to Will Smith, man. Now Will Smith is like, chill.
Now we need to Now we need to
He's
like
been
give
chill
short.
making
Now
TikTok,
we need
man.
to give a short summary of the whole Rhea situation.
Yeah.
So basically,
Ah.
Sushant Singh Rajput, he's an Indian actor. He committed suicide. Okay. A lot of people suspected, like the articles came out saying that he was depressed, mentally unstable, so he committed suicide because of those reasons. But then after a while, Sushant Singh Rajput's family members started blaming Rhea Chakrabarti, saying that she was harassing Sushant Singh Rajput for money. She was basically using SSR. She was taking his money, asking, like pressuring him, like mentally torturing him. And that is the reason SSR committed suicide. So this led to like a nationwide witch hunt for Rhea Chakrabarti.
hunt.
Like, yeah, they pressed charges on her. They fucking basically destroyed her image. Like they used her as a scapegoat.
Yo, that's it. She's over.
Yeah, bro. The Indian media saw this whole situation. They were like, you know what? Let's divert the attention. They started using Rhea as a scapegoat and like gave fuck all news about the actual situation.
And
that's
it's
happening in
it's
India.
not just for the media TRP, even for the politics, man. They brought in politics in this. That's what
Exactly.
made it more worse.
Yeah, and that is why we were fucking abusing Shiv Sena, but not South because he's in Maharashtra.
If South slips up, khalas.
Wait, let
He
me
won't be
go on
there
Twitter
next
now.
episode. Next episode.
Let me
won't
go
be
on
there.
Twitter now.
I need X level security. Double XL security, Sala.
X and X6 level security.
X and X.
I need triple X security.
Triple X.
I need
He wants the
secretary
kind
also.
of- He wants the kind of service
Xander.
Zayn is getting in his hood.
I'm not getting any service over here.
Arey Zen, you're in 7-star hotel, man. Just yell at the
Guys,
hotel
wait.
people, man.
When you say service, you mean room service or like network service?
All kinds
Room
of service.
service,
The
babe.
good kind of service.
But
Yes,
that's it.
What? The good kind of service?
It's all good.
Yeah, right. I'm in quarantine and they'll give me that service.
He's
Arey,
getting
tum Ritz
getting happy
Ritz
ending
Carlton.
Arey, they
70
have
star.
full biohazard
It's called
suit. They
no
will give you
contact
service, man.
service.
Don't worry.
Arey,
No
they
contact
Nah, bro,
open
he's
the
getting
face
happy ending
shield,
massages.
khalas. Open the face shield, khalas.
Full sun top juice, huh?
Arey, Zayn, you're not in 7-star hotel. You're in 7-star hotel, bro. Flex your royalty at us, man. On the audience.
He's Ishtar, man.
Ishtar.
Hey, Zishan, remember? Hey, Disney.
Melvin said that.
I don't remember, but I'm going to laugh anyway.
Sarcasm.
Chal, time to disconnect.
Okay.
Acha, look at the picture that I uploaded.
Uh-huh.
The amazing GDP of Hamara Hindustan. I mean, India.
Zishan
Tumhara
said
Hindustan.
that only.
Exactly.
From
God
1
should
to
be like
minus.
Kumara Hindustan.
Yeah. You know what's good? You know what's like what pisses me off? The GDP is so fucking low that like in the next quarters, when the GDP actually like even like decreases a little bit, so like it goes towards the positive margin, the government is going to take full credit and be like, look, we're improving the GDP. But the fact is that like it has worsened so much that even a little bit of improvement, they're going to take credit for it. Those assholes.
I'll tell you guys why our GDP has gone this low. It's not supposed to go this much low. I mean, we all know India has a really large economy also. It's because, you know, we're not focusing on manufacturing, you know, and that's why we are now having problems with China banning the apps because and then we realize everything we are using is almost made in China.
Because we were being anally probed by China for a long ass time.
Exactly.
But then after the sheer suddenness of the movement by Modi ji,
The sheer suddenness.
He slipped it in. The sheer suddenness.
Unpredictable move.
the unpredictable nature, the fact that there was no warning to the move.
The nation wants to know.
Arnab Grammy Award.
Oh, Baba.
Arnab needs Grammy
Baba.
Award.
But the thing is that, like, bro, there have been a lot of financial decisions made by India in the past, decade that has really fucked India up over. We're in debt. The companies that are established in India by using, you know, the whole make in India policy.
Yes, exactly. I wanted to bring that up too. That they make in India, made in India. They fucked us on that.
So basically, make in India policy it's become a complete flop policy. People in India who are opening a business, they're basically saying that we cannot open a liable business with like a proper background because we get anally probed by taxes all over. Like the fucking income tax people come and they'll bring out a list of taxes that we're supposed to pay, and that it's all bullshit. And another thing, they take debt from the bank, right? And now because the GDP has gone down so much, the Made in India policy is all fucked up. All the companies have collapsed. We're not getting loans from outside the fucking country because like the country is already in like billions or trillions of dollars of debt. Trillions of dollars of debt. So when all this like eventually clears up, the banks are gonna be like, okay, so where is our money? To the people who like took loans to open their business, what the fuck is going to happen then?
Collapse.
Exactly.
Great Depression.
Yeah.
And the thing is, you know, because our GDP is going like really low, I mean, we have like the government has no choice, man. They're like opening the lockdown now, trying to get the economy back up, and because of that, more cases are increasing. So it's all going to go down from there. Second wave is about to start.
There is this one thing also happening right now. Like there is this India-China dispute happening. Okay, many Indian soldiers are dying, but at the end of the day, they are just banning the apps, man. Like. हमारा एक soldier मार दो and then khalas, we will ban one app. Damn, man.
Bro,
Oh my god. One soldier is worth one app.
And the priority
it's like that 1 lakh 1 rupee, that one. Like that.
No, 1 lakh 1 prayer. 1 lakh 1 prayer.
Yeah, man, what the hell? Like no offense to Indian soldiers. No offense to Indian soldiers. But what is happening and the way Modi is reacting, that is just bullshit, man. Honestly.
I mean, the soldiers basically work on orders, right? Like, what can they do? They can't just fucking rush in with their guns and shoot at people. They need orders as well.
What India is doing is defending the line, you know, the border. That's all they can do.
Yeah,
nobody is starting a war. Nobody wants to start a war. We can't even start a war now, man.
If we start khalas, depression.
Yeah, it's khalas on both sides.
Yeah. Nah, I think China has more leverage over India.
Yeah, China does.
Yeah,
Bro, the whole world is made in China. Think about it.
Zenudin 2020.
Hey, yo, Klein, one more thing. Like, okay.
I said it, man, can't do.
Yeah, you know, one more thing. Like, this whole Corona shit started in China. And China is like the fucking country that's prospering like a lot right now. What the fuck?
Bruh, you can't trust China, man. They're not transparent, so.
Yeah. Fuck China.
Actually, you want fuck China.
Yeah.
Like there will be one thing on the news, and then 2 other things will be going on at the back. It's like you can't trust them.
In our background, what is happening? That at least we know something. In China's background, all the bullshit they're doing with the Muslims.
Man, that's so sad, man. The whole Uyghur Muslim
and nobody is like bringing that up. Everybody's like worried. Like we are, of course, our main priority is first. You know, there should be no war, no problems. Soldiers should not die. But the rest of the world, man, they're just worried about the trade deal. war on trade.
Actually, there was an interview by like the foreign minister of China with BBC One in
I
UK.
saw that. Yeah. You shared that.
And like, you know what? Props to the journalist, because he was calling out that guy on his bullshit, saying that like these are screenshots from China, Jinping,
Drone footage.
Yeah, drone shots of people being like taken to concentration camps, like blindfolded. Like it's inhumane. It sucks, man. You know how people used to be like, how come people allowed like Jews to, like fucking 7 million Jews to die in Nazi Germany and nobody did anything? Look at what's happening now. Nobody's doing jack shit.
Yeah.
They just teach us history, man. Nobody does anything. It's just that.
Exactly,
what they're
bro.
doing there is not
This
a
is
genocide. It's basically an identity genocide now.
Bro, like in a couple of years, this is going to be in our textbooks and people are just going to read about it and then fuck off like after writing the exams. Nobody's going to care about this in a couple of years.
Everybody's going to buy hard that shit. Whatever happened in 2020,
Yeah.
just buy hard, not understand anything and move on.
The world is fucked. Bro, that one more thing, like in the US, a fucking gender reveal party caused like a fucking huge forest fire in San Francisco.
Oh yeah, I saw that news
My
today.
God,
Oh my
bro.
god.
Bro, the photography behind it, man. Oof.
Bro,
Props to the photography.
oh my, bro, how dumb is that, dude? How fucking dumb is that?
That
Like
is so
look at like the firefighters, man. Like props to those guys.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Like they gotta keep up with all this stupidity.
Yeah.
The
America's
US,
not only facing a corona
Yeah.
problem, but also a stupidity problem.
you know, like I'm gonna come
Yeah.
clean. Like as a kid, I
Just
used
like
to be
India.
like, America is the dream. Like America is the fucking place to
Dude,
be.
everybody was
It's
like
amazing,
that.
yeah.
at first.
Everybody, yeah.
But like at this point, I'm like, America is filled with fucking idiots.
Yeah.
Even if society's watchman was like, the America jayega hum.
America jayega hum.
No, America, and not
America
America.
jayega hum.
America.
I'll work at Starbucks.
अरे, इश्तार.
बेटा अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना, अमेरिका जाना है बेटा, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना.
Starbucks का watchman.
And instead of saying United Kingdom, हम London जाएगा, London.
Ah shit. London, हम London जन जाया.
स्टारबक्स में काफी बेचेगा. स्टारबक्स.
Call coffee.
हम barista,
God.
barista.
Barista बनेगा हम.
So
Barista.
props to those people. So props to American baristas, because the amount of shit they get, the amount of dumb shit orders they get, like, hi, I want a cappuccino with pumpkin, with 2% foam, with 3% this one. Bro, mathematical equation, man. They're learning math.
With 2% self-respect, 3% anesthesia, 4% coronavirus disease.
अरे भाई तू जल्दी दे ना, मेरे को घर निकलना है. Like,
Yeah.
Bro, मुझे मंदिर में जाना है.
see, no offense to anyone.
Bro, Arnab goes to the barista. मुझे drugs दो.
अरे भाई, we don't sell here drugs, man. Drugs, bazooka shop. That shop. Please go there.
And then Arnab
Yo,
will
how
report
long-
on the
how long do you
incident
think-
Bro, they'll be right, आगे से right, फिर वहाँ से fuck off.
Oh God.
How long do you think it'll take for the Indian government to legalize marijuana in India? How long do you think?
I think about just about 20 years.
Yeah.
Like,
Right
for
after
real?
all of us get kids, then yeah, straight up.
Our grandkids, man. What kids?
Yeah, grandkids, yeah.
So you guys don't think it's gonna happen?
Yeah.
Nope. Bro, we
Like,
still
see-
can't. We still here. Sex
Bro,
is still a
India-
taboo. What marijuana you're bringing?
That's what.
But like,
अरे इधर
no,
homosexual नहीं चलता, man.
I mean, like,
the
it's- bro, but like sex,
Even
sex
even
is
after
like
implementing the law,
sex, bro.
even
Sex
after
is like
implementing that law, they are not allowed. Homosexuals. Even after the law, bill is passed.
yeah.
Even after the law is passed, they still harass people, and they don't come out of the closet. So it's no use.
They'll be like, our culture
Zoham.
is in danger.
Zoham, wait, guys. Zoham, since we're on a podcast right now and we're being recorded, what are your views on gay people?
Stay there inside the closet.
Oh shit!
All right.
Bro, I got religion and science by my side. What the fuck do they have? Feelings? Get the fuck out of here.
Ah shit, man. I ain't saying
Not
anything. I ain't
just one
saying
religion, every single religion.
exactly.
beat
bro.
that.
Good for you.
Beat
Yeah,
Mhm.
Yes, I'm about to throw the biology book at their faces. Man.
guys. Personally, I'm trying to grow our brand, so I cannot say anything.
We gotta be open-minded. SJW.
Bro, I want. Okay, never mind. Acha, India. What happened in India?
India, yes, abortion.
Oh yeah.
All right.
As alpha males, as the men of the house, as the men of the society,
Yeah.
what do you think
As
about
men
a girl's?
govern.
Yeah, as what do you think about a woman making decisions about her own body? What do you guys think?
Bro,
Drop
she
it
should
like
get
a. Drop it like a car. Drop it like a car. Oh, that's. Oh my god.
Zoham is full for patriarchy.
No, chivalry.
Chivalry.
Ah, shit.
Patriarchy is chivalry in disguise.
Okay, so on Instagram, like a few days ago, like on 8 Tech, I saw there was this like post of women saying that abortion should be free for women, right?
Free, okay.
Yeah. And the comments were like fucked up, man. And I myself commented, well, actually, if you think about it, it is kind of free. You have a hanger laying around in your house, just use a hanger.
Oh my god.
Yeah, open it up, put it inside, pull it out.
Oh shit, man. Zen knows.
Bruh,
No, bro, use vacuum cleaner, 3 Idiot style.
it is free, but at what cost, man? You can die right there.
Yeah, that's what.
Then why did you
Great
get
idea.
impregnated in the first place?
Oh, somebody is awfully quiet. South, bro. What do
Are
you know?
Zen. I think Zen, what did he say? That don't get pregnant at first.
No, I didn't
Zayn
say
said
that.
you
It was,
were
Zoham.
Who said that? Zoham, you said that.
Don't incriminate people, Klein. Come on.
I'm
chill.
not incriminating. I'm giving a counteract to the point which who made that. I want to know who made it.
Wait, who
He's
made what point?
discriminating, man.
Okay, forget it. Like, what's your
Just make a
counterpoint?
point.
Just explain. What's your
Yeah, just
counterpoint?
hear you.
Whoever said that don't get pregnant first, like we
I
we
said
read,
that. I said that.
Do anal.
there are dude, you've heard, right? Cases are there where people, they just force pregnant someone, or like the woman won't know how she got pregnant. Even same case for male. You remember I think
Men get pregnant?
Yeah. No, I'm not saying like that. I'm
What?
saying
Wait.
a woman is there, okay? A guy is I think Zen sent that post. It was like a woman. She made she like did it with the guy. The guy was unconscious or something, and she got herself pregnant. And then later told the guy it was her kid and demanded child support.
Oh,
So imagine that shit. Imagine that.
These
rape.
these hoes
That's
ain't loyal.
straight away
These hoes ain't
rape.
That
Yeah, you can call it rape.
commando shit.
Bro, it is
Just
rape.
listen.
You can't call it rape. It is rape, bro.
Yeah, that's
Exactly.
literally-
It is rape, yeah, for sure. It's rape, yeah.
Bro, that's some stealth
Dude,
mission
for-
right there.
Dude, for sex education, I would send my children to Hindu IT school.
Send it to Amity University.
Guys, follow us on MLR Pod on Instagram to see what we're talking about. We're gonna post that post on our story.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like we will just show it on our podcast, like the video on YouTube. Yeah, we will just show that.
Oh no, we're gonna listen, bro. It's a good time to like brand our Instagram, bro. Follow us on MLR Pod to see the post. We're gonna share it on our story.
Almost heard MLR porn.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, the whole men's locker room situation sounds fucking like a porno.
Dude, I am feeling that after this conversation, we will be the most controversial persons after Riya Chakrabarti, man.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yo, we'll be invited by
Podcast.
invited by Arnab himself. And
And
then
we didn't
Alex
even
Jones-
smoke anything. And we weren't even
Alex
found
Jones-
with 34 grams
Ben
of weed.
Shapiro, everyone.
Arnav himself.
you know how like Joe Rogan and Elon Musk were smoking same way. We and Arnab, it'll be lit.
Yeah, bro, it's gonna be lit, like literally. Ah,
Bro,
shit.
Alex Jones, Ben Shapiro, everybody will invite us.
Guys, no, but for real though, we're like what 38 minutes in. Abortion, like honest opinions, like okay, I'm giving you a situation. So in a let's just say no, I'm giving you a situation. Let's just say in a marriage,
In a
husband, wife.
situation ahead, when oh, you are.
Ramadan is a darkest day.
I don't want to slowly.
Feeling
Sugar
like
mama.
a gay.
Oh shit.
Samina, mina.
Abe, when I was a kid, man.
I'm sorry, I have to try, but
Guys, okay.
Okay,
Listen,
back to
everyone,
you.
listen. Yeah.
Abortion.
I heard Zishan, man. Zishan will go out, man.
All right,
I-
abortion.
Bro,
You
I
want
have to do
abortion?
cocaine. I have to do
Otherwise-
cocaine to deal with you guys, man.
Are Zishan?
Cocaine, Molly,
Arey,
Parkat se.
If we
Achha,
don't
abortion.
discuss about abortion, then Zishan will do abortion, man, himself.
He will abort the fucking
Guys,
call itself.
guys, I have to come clean. I got a girl pregnant. This is why I'm asking you guys all those questions.
Oh shit!
Congratulations.
Man, you're capable. Wow.
Holy shit right there.
Hey, Mahila, all the Mahila in charge groups in India who got the boys' locker room guys exposed. I'm not doing anything wrong, okay? I did not get anyone pregnant. Wink, wink. Anyways,
Dude,
listen.
Z did it for the boys.
Exactly,
Easy.
man.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck him and chuck
What did
him.
he say?
Took one for the team. He took one for the team.
I gave her one for the team, man. And now she's having triplets.
On behalf of all of us, he got her pregnant. One for the team.
And now she's having triplets. What the fuck?
Arey bhai,
Oh.
Bro, do this. Bro, listen to it. Listen to my philosophy. Install the information and evade the nation.
Yes, from uTorrent.
Arey, tu chup re saale. You didn't get it?
Sounds-
Install the information and evade the nation.
Yes, man. I get it, man. You've been in
Good
this
for you,
business
man.
long enough. Yeah. Good for you, bro.
Arey, what good for
I
you? You
remember
made her pregnant, not me.
And then listen,
Okay,
listen.
Zishan, yeah, you got that girl.
Yeah.
You got that girl pregnant.
For fuck's sakes. Guys, I'm sorry for like people listening. I'm really sorry. Okay, now listen up. Now listen up. So let's just say you're okay. You guys.
Never
Arey,
say
Zishan, just spit it
never.
out. Arey, Zishan, just spit it out.
Yeah, Zishan.
Oh, dude, I can't. I like to swallow. Fuck no. What?
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 You like to
What?
You heard it first. You know who Zishan is now.
give him your drugs you got from Arnab.
I'm talking about pills, guys. Chill, pills.
Acha.
Like drugs.
All right, continue.
Okay,
Contraceptive.
you're in a happy relation. You're in a happy marriage, like marriage relationship with your wife, obviously.
Yes.
And then you guys have sex. Like you guys have been married for 5 years. You have sex. She gets pregnant. She doesn't tell you, and like
Okay.
4 months into the pregnancy, she gets aborted, and then she gives you the news that I was pregnant. I didn't tell you. I got abortion without telling you. Do you think this is right or wrong?
This is wrong, man. She gotta
अरे
say
दो
that.
चाट बार उसके कान के नीचे में
Bro, no. Bro, it is wrong, man. It's wrong.
What?
Bro, Zishan.
कान के नीचे एकदम
Yes. Yeah. Zen, yes.
Dude.
Exactly.
So Zoyan, the way you said right, कान के नीचे देखा. Zen was like acting like Zen was like acting like the girl's father. Hey, nahi.
you're tearing up
Okay.
I'm tearing up man
Okay.
now there are two types of people one guy दो मार कान के नीचे and then other नहीं यार नहीं
Dude, that situation was like the grumpy cat, man. Grumpy cat saying no.
Okay, yeah, Zen. Listen, guys. Zen, what were you saying? What were you saying?
Bro, I was just saying that ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती. It's like they both have to decide what to do.
Yeah, you cannot clap your cheeks with one hand. Translation. Yes.
Chips.
What captioning is this, man?
कौन सा chips? Salad chips.
अरे चिप्स नहीं चीक्स गूगल करके आए वो अर्बन डिक्शनरी में जाके गूगल
Urban dictionary, man. Okay, so like
Urban
my
dictionary.
honest opinion would be that no, like it depends on both, like the decision of abortion depends on both,
Yeah,
like both of them.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
दोनों
okay,
को-
okay,
ये यार दोनों को मिलना चाहिए डिसीजन का
okay. I agree with that because like the whole point of a marriage is to like
50-50
like it's this the socially
Yo,
justified
Zishan.
contract. Yeah, what's up?
Zishan, what if they were not married?
Okay, so here's the thing. I personally think that if they're not married,
then get married
but if they're still no, but and if
but then don't do it.
Abhi no,
Basic
Arre.
solution.
so listen,
simple
listen.
tips and tricks by Zain.
अरे
No,
listen. Then बाप दो मारेगा फिर लड़की का बाप दो the girl's father will hit her, man.
Brown culture dang
Then again Zain will come. नहीं
नहीं यार ये अच्छा नहीं है
अभी like he's going to some Lulu hypermarket and then like he's looking at curry patta. Okay, no, this is not right one. Okay, next one.
Okay, so I personally
Okay, so curry patta means coriander leaves for my all international audience.
अरे हमारा white people सुनो
okay,
White,
guys,
black, everyone.
listen. I think that if the guy and the girl are in any kind of relationship, either it be boyfriend or girlfriend or husband or wife, I think the girl has like she should. I mean, like she's not obliged to, but like morally, she should discuss with the guy, with a partner, right? 'Cause that's the morally right thing.
Yeah.
But let's just say it was like a one night thing, or if they've been friends for like a week and then the guy got her pregnant. So like at that point, like she doesn't have a responsibility to like be like what's the word? She doesn't have the responsibility to hear out the opinion of the other guy. Like it's her body at the end of the day. Like if she's not committed in a relationship with the other guy, she should just like do whatever she feels right.
Okay, Z, I want to ask, what if, like, okay, the same situation, but in this case, she wants to have a baby and the guy's like, no.
That would be Zen.
bro I'm ready for that
So, yeah. And
No,
not
Zen,
Zishan.
Zen.
I want
Zen,
everyone's
you're ready.
opinion.
Zen, you're ready for the sex, not the baby. Be honest.
Yeah, bro. Install the
True
nation.
that.
I mean, install the information. Evade the nation.
Yeah, but then
No,
you wear
I
a
would not
cheap.
evade.
Yeah. By the way, Zen, how
got-
many more days have you got in quarantine?
3 more
Ah, shit, man.
3 more
Good
days.
for you, man.
Okay, guys, answer my question. The hard question.
Okay, so what was the question? If the guy doesn't want,
Yeah, she wants the baby, but the guy doesn't. The guy wants her to abort. Like, he ain't ready for this.
oh shit,
About the
yeah.
mission. About the mission.
mission failed. Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
We'll get him next time.
Wasted.
No,
I
no,
need
no,
backup.
Aladdin,
I need backup.
Then Zen comes busted.
No,
I need backup. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
baby in the hole.
Mona
Arey,
Lisa.
baby's in the hole man
Mona Lisa.
Aha,
Mona Lisa.
say.
Mona Lisa, did you press record?
Yeah,
Oh,
it is.
shit. Yes,
it's
man,
been
what the fuck?
It's been
Don't
recording since when?
Yeah.
I even
Imagine
recorded
if
on.
you didn't record and you were just talking like this.
Bro, I would have been
All the
the
funny part.
I would have been the first one to delete our Instagram account.
I would jump off from my window.
One job here, one job. Clicking the record button.
I would jump off from my window saying my career barbad, man.
$1 million brand
Bro.
idea gone.
bro I would go outside and hug everyone I'd be like I'm still in quarantine
We're like, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak.
And then after South jumps, everybody will be like, suicide nahi tha, murder tha. Drugs ka
I don't have
chakkar
Riya.
tha.
Arey, lekin I don't have Riya in my life, no.
No, we will blame Mini Rapunzel.
अबे ए श्रुति
Yo, Klein, back to your
Yeah.
answer. If the guy
Yeah,
wants
yeah.
the girl to like abort and the girl doesn't in the relationship, then I think, fuck, man, that's hard.
Exactly. Both have to come to a proper conclusion, you know. Otherwise, it's gonna be a mess.
Yeah.
Or it can be like this: if she wants to have the baby and she's not, you know, listening to the guy can walk out.
Yeah. Or she can
Bro,
walk
but
out
the
with the
baby, but the baby is still going to be the guy's, bro. He still has to pay child support. What the fuck?
Oh.
But
Not
the guy,
necessarily. Like, if she's asking
Bro,
for it, then yes.
If the guy walks out, that's not gonna like deny the fact that he's the father. Like he's still going to be the father if he walks out.
man, he just gonna grow up a bastard. What can you do?
Yeah. He's gonna grow up without a father like every other rapper nowadays.
So that is why
shit.
that is
Shot
why
fired.
my advice to all, you know, to our generation, gonna be adults now, gonna find someone, you know, unless you ain't ready, you gotta use protection.
Yeah.
Because you know,
bro,
if
use protection.
if by mistake you get a kid and you know you're not planning for abortion, whatever it is, if you're not ready to take the responsibility, don't have a kid. That's it.
There we go. There we go. Klein with the facts. Klein with the heat.
Or
Philosophical heat.
just don't do it. If you're not ready, just don't do it.
Exactly.
man,
But,
just- bro,
all of us
Just,
desperate.
just
Guys,
make eye
listen,
contact,
everyone.
fellas. No need to have sex.
There's plenty of amazing porn on the internet. Just fucking
Yeah,
wank a little bit. You get the post-nut clarity. Bro, after each
bro.
wank, you all feel disgusted with yourself for like a second or two. You do.
South, yes or no?
what you're asking me, man? I only watching. Are Zoham was like asking me.
South is a
was like
serial
asking
master.
me,
South is a
and
serial
everybody's like
masturbator.
silent.
South is like that guy from Wolf of Wall Street, Matthew McConaughey. Twice in the morning, twice in the night, twice after eating breakfast.
What the hell?
Oh my god.
I'm speechless, man.
But you're not tissueless, bro.
Dude. Okay, jokes apart, but like about this dating thing, what I would like to say is that like if you just want to have fun, then find a hobby or something. Don't date a girl and like do this thing.
Okay,
and
bro.
all thing.
What if you're a nymphomaniac?
What if you're a what? Z what?
Nympho.
Okay, a nymphomaniac is basically somebody who's like addicted to sex.
Just stay away from her then.
Nice.
Sex addict.
Stay away from the world.
Stay away from the hole.
South is acting like, you know, the innocent, pure.
And guys, the reason we were talking about abortion is because today's episode is sponsored by Patanjali condoms.
Yeah, bro. Durex.
कभी भी फट सकता है.
use Patanjali condoms. दो गांड फटेगी, आपकी भी, condom भी.
Oh, that's a good slogan. Oh my god. We're definitely going to get this one.
Okay, guys.
Patanjali is
so
gonna sue us, man.
now, okay, so we're gonna move towards the end of the podcast now.
Really?
Listen, guys, whoever's listening, right? Because we're gonna like promote the shit out of this podcast. But if you're not listening and you're still listening, like we've been talking about this, in order to like become popular, I think we need to fire shots at somebody from like someone
bro.
at school. Yeah, Zen, go for
शॉर्ट
it.
लगानी है.
Damn.
Zen,
What?
Zen, call
शॉर्ट
someone out.
लगानी है.
What, man? This is 2017 humor, bro.
Arey, we already fired shots at Modi, India, GDP. Who else now?
No, Zoham.
Patanjali also.
Zoham.
What? Zoham also?
Any particular competitive, like our competition in the market, anybody whom you think you should fire shots at? I'm not saying anything like, but maybe
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk?
अबे वो क्या
He's
किया?
not our competition, man. He's our
क्या
person.
किया?
These are inspiration, man.
I'm reading his book, man.
He's our
वो अपने
godfather.
शॉट मारने का औकात के बाहर है.
He's our godfather.
Exactly.
Third richest man.
Listen. The time you go for
Bhai.
shot, he will be in Mars, man.
हाँ वो इतना लंबा
okay,
शॉट नहीं
okay.
अपना, इतना लंबा शॉट नहीं अपना.
We need to do like a dedicated episode on Elon Musk. That guy is a fucking legend.
Yeah, bro. Straight up.
Why?
Third episode.
Dude,
Yeah.
Zishan, why are you saying like he's a fucking legend? Like that.
I might or
Arey,
might listen.
Zishan wants to be like him.
I might or might listen. I might or might not have a Nivea lotion next to me and tissue in the other hand.
Bye. First episode.
You want to
itself.
be like him or you want to
Expose
be in him?
Bro, this podcast is going to make me sound so fucking gay, and I'm going to be the one who edits it. What the fuck?
Arey,
Yeah.
Arey, that is all right, but the BJP, Shiv Sena, everybody will come to my house.
No problem.
Jay
That is the
Maharashtra.
worst part. I have my time till this podcast is like not on YouTube, man. Once it's on YouTube, khalas. Bye, guys.
Yeah, you're getting blacklisted.
Arey, if this podcast goes viral, that's it, man.
South is going to ghost.
South is Amir.
South is going to ghost himself. Yo, he's going to blacklist.
Like
all-
Sadaf.
Yeah.
South will end up like Sadaf
Yeah.
after this podcast.
6 feet deep somewhere. Okay, guys, listen up. Thank you everyone for listening. That was
Thank
fucking
you.
amazing. The
Yeah,
first
man.
ever episode. This,
If
bro,
you're-
this is. Go ahead.
And
sorry
also
for
like
wasting your time.
just one more thing, that whatever we discussed in this podcast, it's like just don't take any offense from it. That's it.
It's just
Guys,
comedy purpose.
everything.
That is
it's
our
all-
disclaimer.
Listen, it's bro at the end of the fucking podcast with disclaimer.
Oh my god.
Bro, the disclaimer
Bro,
is gonna
Bro,
start, right?
20 minutes into the podcast, we're gonna get like fucking FBI knocking at our door. What the what? They won't even listen to the end.
I just got my door knocked right now.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Arey,
shit, man.
housekeeping
Arey,
or
FBI
Alpha,
open up. Yeah.
Patanjali.
Listen, guys.
Patanjali.
Okay, so the first episode, this is going to go down in history. We're going to be consistent with it. So
bro.
please share the fuck out of this podcast, everyone.
Bro.
Follow us on Instagram at MLRpod. And listen, guys, I know everybody's like egotistical about their follower number going up. Listen, get over that fucking egotistical bridge and just give us a follow. We're going to give you like amazing content and every other competition in the market of like podcasts right now, like up and coming podcasts. Fuck those guys. You all know who you are. Like, I'm just kidding. I love you all, but still fuck you all.
Exactly, man. All of them faking their feelings, man. We're the real ones.
Exactly, man. Bro, we don't even give a fuck, man. We're saying everything we want to say. Fuck Trump.
man.
Fuck. You know,
Unfiltered.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, bro. Uncensored up in this bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Get
man.
aborted. Yeah. You want abortion? Use an hanger. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, once this podcast gets popular, it will be censored.
अबे
So
लेकिन
hurry and
hanger
follow
से
it up.
कैसे करें यार यार?
Arey, we'll upload this on Pornhub, man. Nobody can censor this.
Yeah, bro. No one can do it.
The Japanese can
guys.
censor it.
Yeah, download this podcast and like upload it on torrent site because we're going to get taken down eventually.
Yeah,
Exactly, yo.
Okay.
Figuratively and
Already
physically.
foreshadowing everything now.
Us,
That was
already
fucking
staring at the
amazing.
window.
That was fucking amazing, everyone.
Yes.
And
And
thanks for listening. Peace out.
Peace out,
We would-
benchos.
we would like to end this conversation with a song named Samina Mina. Waka Waka.
Hey.
Everyone.
This time for India.